Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
A factory reset restores your Meta Quest 2 to original factory settings and removes all personal data. Perform a reset when you plan to sell, troubleshoot persistent software issues, or start fresh with clean settings. First, charge the headset to at least 50% to avoid shutdown during the process. Back up any important files or recordings to another device before continuing. Also ensure you know your Meta account email and password to sign back in after the reset completes. Power off the headset completely before initiating the hardware reset sequence to prevent corruption. Press and hold both volume buttons and the power button together until the boot menu appears on the display. Use the volume buttons to highlight the factory reset option and press the power button to select it. Confirm your selection when prompted and allow the device to complete the reset process without interruption. The reset can take about 10 minutes, and the headset will reboot to initial setup afterward. Open the Meta Quest mobile app on your phone and connect while logged into the same Meta account. From the Devices tab, tap your connected Quest 2 and then select Advanced Settings to find the factory reset option. Tap Factory Reset, confirm the action when prompted, and wait while the app commands the headset to perform the reset. The headset will reboot and return to the initial setup screen when it finishes. Reconnect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Meta account, and reinstall apps or purchases as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.